You need to hear this if you're all about clean eating. Fancy a natural detox? Here are the top 5 foods that'll do the trick. First up, we've got lemons. Not just for your G&T, folks. These little beauties are packed with vitamin C and flush out toxins like a champ. Next, let's talk avocados. They might be posh, but they help your liver process those nasty chemicals. Plus, who doesn't love a good guac? Third on the list, garlic. Vampires hate it, but your body loves it. It's a detox dynamo, boosting your immune system and cleaning your blood. Number 4, green tea. Swap out your Builder's Brew for this antioxidant powerhouse. It kicks toxins to the curb and keeps you hydrated. And finally, beetroot. Yep, that red root veg your gran loves. It's fantastic for liver detox and packed with nutrients. So there you have it, folks. Lemons, avocados, garlic, green tea, and beetroot. Get these on your plate and your body will thank you. Cheers!
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.